Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about HP Smart Printer not printing. Follow the instruction and don't skip the video.
When your HP Smart Printer isn't printing, there could be a few reasons behind it. Let's troubleshoot. 1. Check connection. Ensure that your printer is properly connected to your computer or network. For wireless printers, check if it's connected to the Wi-Fi network. 2. Printer status. Check if there are any error messages or warnings on the printer's display panel. This could indicate issues like low ink, paper jams, or connectivity problems. 3. Printer queue. Sometimes print jobs get stuck in the print queue. Open the print queue on your computer and delete any pending print jobs. 4. Printer drivers. Make sure your printer drivers are up to date. You can usually download the latest drivers from the HP website or through the HP Smart app. 5. Restart devices. Try restarting both your printer and your computer or mobile device. This can often resolve connectivity issues. 6. Paper and ink. Ensure that there is enough paper in the tray and that the ink or toner cartridges are not empty. 7. Printer settings. Check the printer settings on your computer or device to ensure that the correct printer is selected and that there are no print restrictions set. 8. Firewall or antivirus. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus settings can block communication with the printer. Temporarily disable these programs to see if it resolves the issue. 9. Test print. Try printing a test page directly from the printer's control panel. This can help determine if the issue is with the printer itself or with the connection to your computer. 10. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to HP support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps for your printer model. If you have any doubt, please call the toll-free 1-844-609-6674.